You're gonna die.
Wow!
It's not good.
It's not the hot stuff.
I know.
It's hot. It's Louisiana. It's pretty hot.
The hot sauce burned my lips. That's it. But okay.
My stomach already hurts.
I'll show this to your dad.
Like grade 6 all over again.
What?
During the summer of grade 6, me and Jack did shots.
Okay, get a test for myself, you know.
You're mentally challenged. One slice, that size.
Well, that's why it wasn't working for me. Tasty?
Oh my god.
I have to show you this.